So we're using these brushes, I don't know, will we use everything, but I damaged this brush so much, but I can use it for some dabbing and some regular things on my painting, so we will see. And we are using these lighter colors. I add some white in these colors. I think we should start from this balloon, and I want to add a bit of water, a little bit of wash on this painting, on the just on the balloon, I think, here, all around, how balloon is like this, a little bit in the middle, and here. And I think now we can add our colors like this all around here. So now we need to dry. So we are dried our balloon, but I remember that we need to put masking tape here. I think this will be enough. Nothing special, but I don't want the paper to swirl around when I'm painting. We will not put background on this painting, but I need to fix it like this. A little bit of dark here and here, like this. And these ropes are here, but they are not super visible because of flowers. Flowers will be all around. And to dry again. So now we're taking a little bit of orange and we're adding in this. And that is our, I don't know, orange flower, probably. And we will put it here. Something like that. And here, around this. So this is our underpainting. And then we want a little bit of blue and this light blue, and with much white, and we will add this blue here, our blue flower. Then we need to add some more blue, and that will be maybe here, and then maybe on this side also. So that is our blue flower, and I want to take away a little bit of that blue. I want this flower to be more muted like, and maybe this one also, not so bright. Then we want our pink flower, because this pink flower will be a focal point of our painting. And first we take this almost white and we paint like this. The pink flower is the biggest one and the prettiest one from all of our flowers. Here, like this. Then we need a little bit of darker pink, and I want to add this on our left side of the painting, and a little bit smaller, but like this, like you're dabbing the brush. Then maybe something in the middle also, like that. And we are finished with this up here. Later we will add more pinkish flowers here, but for now we are finished. And now I want to add some purple, maybe here, maybe on this side, also, and on this side a bigger one. That is that. Then I want to add more blue in this part of the painting on left side. I need to dry again. So now I really like how my balloon looks. Vintage colors on him, and that is very cute. So now we need our greens, and our greens will be also muted, super light. And I want to start from above, from here. So here are little greens. And our leaves is coming behind the flowers. And later we will add more darker green. But for now we need this underpainting. So here it is. Big beautiful leaves. And very lush. Very crazy. Like nature is. Beautiful chaos. So we need one more here and here, and I think that is that. Again, we need to dry, but maybe when I'm already here, maybe we will continue with our greenery down here and put some branches and some leaves here. So that is that. Now I need to try again. Now I want to add flowers down here, but I need a new brush, and that we will use this brush. I don't know really which number is this, because it's not saying, but never mind. So we need this brush, and we will add some, I think, same colors, like up here. We will add some of this in the middle. Then we will add a bit of a bluish here on the edge. Oh my god, why so much water here? This brush. So blue here, and maybe also here, like this, and maybe down here. So that is that. And then some pink, and I want this pink to be brighter than this one, up a little bit brighter, not much. So here is our pink. I think that is roses, and that is that. Maybe one here, and where else? Here. And now we are adding details. And that is, our details are ready and finished. And now we need green, this green, maybe with touch of purple. We're starting from here, and we need very much, lots of this green, because this is all the leaves around these flowers. Many leaves here. somehow this painting is look to me so vintage. I don't know, is it because of this balloon or because of the colors, but I really like it. It really look all like from some old postcard. Now I think we need more of this brown, and I want to add this brown like a little bit like on the painting here and there. Cute. And now I want to connect this a little more like this and this, and a bit to wash off this upper part. Not wash off, like maybe this part is darker, and here also, and there. And I think we need more of this dark, but not so dark, maybe this one. A little bit of here. Now I need to fix this leaf. Now we are drying. And now our balloon is almost finished. I just want to add a little bit more greenery here because I think this part seems empty, and I will add it like a bit of dots and some leaves like is here floating around this basket. And I think that is it. And I really love this painting. I think it's beautiful. I think it's cute. And tell me please, what do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.